we are using 3.5 cups of beans, a small piece of catfish, 1 seasoning cube, and Scotch Bonnet pepper. This pepper is very spicy, so I'm going to use only one. Then I'm using 2 red onions, some salt, some crayfish here, and red oil. For the purpose of the color, I'm going to add a little bit of paprika powder to give it that orange rich color. I'm going to wash the beans with some water. The ideal thing to do is to dechaff the beans, remove the chaff and some stones from it. But I bought this one already destoned, so I skipped the selection process. This one is already destoned. I have no need to start destoning it all over again. So what I will do is to just wash it and start cooking. In this particular one, I'm not going to soak first. You know, if you have issue with bloating, you can soak the beans overnight before cooking. Another way to get rid of the bloating is by parboiling it. So today I'm going to do the parboiling method. It's washed, so I'm going to put it in a boiling water and I'll let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then I'll sift the water out. Yeah, it has been boiling now, so I'm going to remove this water and start cooking it with the fresh water. So I'll pour it up at the pepper and I'll allow it to cook. The secret to a very tasty beans is in the onion and in the slow cooking. If you want to get a very delicious beans, cook it slowly. In fact, if you can, cook it through the night, then the next day you finish up the cooking. Remember, we are talking about a normal beans, not tomato flavored or any of those designers beans. So a normal beans that you get that real authentic beans, grandma village taste of beans. Has been cooking for 25 minutes now. Add the oil. Then I'll put in my crayfish. Then I'll put in the dry fish. Put in the seasoning cube. So here, I'll cook again. Right now the aroma is all over the place. That's real beans. By the way, this beans is going to be more tasty because I'm using the type of beans they call honey beans. So this type of brown beans is called honey beans. Naturally has a very nice taste. So I don't want anything to come in the way of that real natural beans taste. So I'm going to add a little bit of paprika. To impart the color. I want the color to be dim it's already all over the place and the aroma is wonderful. So I'll cook now for 20 minutes or more. I'll just be checking to see how far we have come. So I'll be cooking for about, so coming to check it, still cooking. So let me squash this pepper. Pepper is soft enough now. So it's very ready. So this is some minutes later. And here's what we have. This is very ready now. So you can eat it with your bread.